Okay, this is an install of a Curt brand trailer hitch on a 2024 Kia Sorento. It's pretty simple, pretty straightforward. This is a 6-bolt install, no cutting or welding required. Started out by removing this plastic tray that's actually underneath the driver's side and covers part of the under portion of the frame rail. I then lowered the exhaust. There are 2 hangers. I then lowered the exhaust by disconnecting the 2 hangers. There's one right in the back of the muffler and one on the, I guess that's the last connection on the cross member. And it's very difficult to show, but there are also some rubber stoppers that are up in the frame rails that I popped out as per the directions. Now we need to lower the tire to get a little more space. The way you lower the tire in this particular car is you take out you open up the back, you lift up this back flap over here, and take the tools out, and a little button there for spare tire. They give you a Phillips head screwdriver, they don't give you a flathead screwdriver. I'm gonna grab a flathead screwdriver. So I open this up, and that gives me access to the actual crank itself. Use the sub breaker. Yeah, I guess this bolt breaker is this is for the jack. It's also, I believe, for the tires. Put this in, spin it counterclockwise, and that'll loosen the cable, and your tire will come down. And there it is, tires down and out of the way. Next I'm going to get another set of hands, and we'll lift the trailer hitch up and in place and start the bolts. Now you can see the passenger side, 2 of the bolt holes. There's actually 3 for each side. And these are the bolts that they have used. I believe these are grade 8s, and they've got little conical washers that have little dimples in them. There you go. Those little dimples will help the washers to kind of bite into place and gain purchase on the metal there. Okay, so I'm going to get my helper to come in, and we will try to get this into place and try to get it filmed. Alright, so we each get 3, and I mean the holes are pretty clean, so you shouldn't have to do too much. This wall. Yeah.
I was using them.
Oh, you want to use it? Feel free. If you want to lay on it, go ahead. Alright, swap spots. Now, what you do is lift it towards you first. Alright, come this way. Okay.
I heard it go off inside.
What?
I heard it go off inside, like the parking thing.
Go towards you a little bit.
Right there.
Okay. There should be a couple bolts next to you.
I start putting them in.
Yeah, and you don't have to kill them yet.
Can't tell if it's going in there straight
Yeah.
or not.
Yeah, try to get this bottom one in. Oops. Alright, so here's the washer. I don't know where the nut went.
I got it. It's in my hands.
Okay, can you hand me, make sure that you put the cone the right way.
Is
Okay,
the
so
cone
look.
supposed to be like that?
Cone's supposed to be like that. See how it's got spots to bite into?
Yeah.
That's what it needs. It's gonna make for a terrible video. At least this portion of it.
It needs to like.
What do you need to do?
I'm trying to like move it center because like. There we go.
Started? Okay. Now I'm going to put one right there so I could see that hole.
Those are already
You're all done on your side.
The last one too, I think.
Yeah, last one's for my side. Last one's the impossible one to get. So I got to get the muffler out of the way. I don't know if it's possible. Ooh, actually like that, right about there. Thank you. Let me try sliding it forward a little bit. See if that helps. Put it that way. Got you there. That one's centered and in. That's decent.
It's just how the spare is.
Yeah, well, there's a crank inside to crank it back up.
Why is it on like a winch?
It makes it easier to get them into and out of place.
Huh.
It's just a real easy setup. Yeah. There we go. Alright. Can you hand me the socket wrench over there, please? Thank you. That's the one. go. Oops, sorry. There you go. Want to reset some? Like I said, you don't have to kill it.
I don't know if you want these any tighter or not.
Nah, it should be for now.
I think that one's pretty tight too. Let me just check.
I gotta get them to like 60 foot-pounds or something like that.
Do you got like a thing for that or not?
Yeah, I got a torque wrench for that.
That one's pretty tight.
Okay. Good enough. Thank you. Awesome. Thank you for your help. Well, that was difficult to watch. Sorry. It was difficult to show, actually. The next thing to do is to actually just go and torque all these down to 60 pounds. I'm going to do that off camera. I'll bring you back for the next step. Okay, the bolts are all torqued down. Very difficult to see here. You can see one there, and there. There's one underneath the muffler. Well, sorry, right there above the muffler. Now, what I did was, the next step is states that you might have to bend this front muffler hanger stud. Now, it looks like I didn't need to. It looks like I've got enough clearance between the muffler and the this flat bar coming across. I'll keep an eye on that, obviously, as things go. But honestly, it was really nice working on a car with low mileage. It's nice and clean. This is a nice, decent trailer hitch to install. And these ears are actually slightly in. So they don't quite, it's hard to show from here, they don't quite make the full width up until you start bolting these down. So once you start cinching those down, you could feel them pushing out and then eventually making contact with this piece of the unibody frame. So seems pretty good. Next step is get this tire raised. It probably would have been easier to, you know, lower and remove the spare tire, but whatever. I'm going to put the tire up, put everything away in the back, and then I'll put that little plastic piece back there, and then I'll admire my work. And up goes the tire. It's so nice when everything's nice and new and not covered in, you know, road debris. Where I am, salt and a nice, like, crusty winter cover. There we go. Nice and tight. Put that back here. Oh, wait, there we go. That's how it fits in. I mean, I know it's only styrofoam, but it is a really nice, clean vehicle. I like to keep it that way as long as possible. Here's that little plastic piece I was telling you about. Covers everything up. I'm not going to hurry up because I'm going to start mowing the lawn next door and I'm not going to be able to get any good audio in. Looks like it all belongs there, doesn't it? And there it is, all done. Nice solid hitch, stronger than anything I'll ever need, and did it myself and saved a lot of money. Thanks for watching. These are all the tools I needed: a three-quarter with my torque wrench, flathead screwdriver, a couple of extensions, and that's it. The rest of it was all done by hand, and the one tool that was inside of the back of the vehicle.